Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super simple and super happy. Colorful balloons. And here's a tiny funny story for your entertainment. One day a bunch of balloons were talking. The red one said, I want to fly them to the moon. The blue one said, I just want snacks. And the yellow one said, I only want to think someone to draw us nicely. So today we are going to make these cute colorful balloons come to life on paper. Step by step and super easy. Even beginners can do it. So grab your pencil, relax and let's fill the sky with happy balloons together. Guys, we did it. Our cute colorful balloons are going to ready. Hmm, floating happily and smiling like little rainbow bubbles in the sky. And now the balloons are saying, "Thank you for drawing us. We promise not to fly away from your notebook." If you like this easy drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me in the comment what we should draw next. Okay, guys, see you in the next fun video. Till then, keep smiling, keep drawing, and let your creativity fly high like balloons. Bye bye. Bye bye.